Okay, this is another video to Grizzly. I just got done shooting the problem video before that I was having. Now I'm going to shoot a different problem that I'm having with the Grizzly G3103. It's it has a pulsating noise at high RPMs. All right, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to set this up and show you exactly what I'm going to do, and show you exactly what RPM I'm going to be at. Okay, here we go. There's the RPM. I'm going to set this thing at, I don't dare bring it up to 2760 because 2760, I'm afraid this thing's going to blow up. And I'll tell you what, I'll set it at 2220 to show you. I think it'll definitely be fast enough RPMs to show you what's going on. And I'm telling you, if I put it at 2760, the crap starts falling off the walls in my garage. So let me get in here, and I'm going to change this over. I'm going to change the spindle over to the correct speed. All right. All right. I'm going to change the spindle over to the correct speed. Here, to 2220, 2,200 RPMs, and that's going to be B3 on the spindle, on the pulley alignment. So B3. So we're going to bring this down. We're going to bring this down to 3. We're going to bring this other one down to B. All right. So we're on B. B on that one. And then this has got to go down one more to get to 3. All right. No, it's on 2,220. All right. All right. Now, I'm hoping you guys can hear this pulsating effect that's going on when I turn this on. And like I said, when you go faster in RPMs, it just sounds louder and everything else. So here we go. I'm going to turn this thing on at 2,220 RPMs. We're going to see what happens. Alright, I'm hoping that comes up on camera because you can definitely, I mean, I can definitely hear it. And like I said, it's got one more RPM more to go, and that's the 2,700. And as a matter of fact, I could use these RPMs, the higher ones, for cutting the aluminum and the plastics and stuff that I get into. But you know, with all that vibration, the whole table vibrates, and it just makes for really bad finishes. And you know, and that's the other problem I'm having with it. And I got one more problem here. I'm going to make a third video and show the third problem I'm having with the Grizzly G3103 milling machine.